Hi, I'm Kelly from Uvanni Motors in Rome with Ed from Lincoln Davies. Thanks for joining me, Ed.
Thanks, Kelly.
I got to know you pretty well this summer. I listen to Big Frog. I'm a Big Frog fan, country fan.
Yep.
So I was like, I think I know you. We are in a 2015 GMC Sierra Denali, $17,000 less than new.
Beautiful truck,
HD,
Kelly.
isn't it
Yeah,
gorgeous? All
yeah.
leather.
Yep.
Lots of features in this
Yep.
truck.
It's got, what, 45,000
45,000
miles? You wouldn't know it.
Have you seen the front of this truck?
Yes.
I love the front of a GMC.
Yes.
You're going to take me to a brand new thing that you guys are doing this year. It is the corn maze.
Yes.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Yes, our Fall Fest corn maze. We're doing an apple fest, and we have an apple press here, and we're going to make some apple cider.
You also have a haunted hayride coming up, too.
Yes, Columbus Day weekend. Got the Sequoia Valley Drama Club coming to do a haunted hayride.
How do I purchase tickets at?
We'd like you to come to the store, show off our new kitchen design center.
Not only that, but like siding, and you
yeah.
offer so many services.
Yes, yep.
And you've been in business 147 years.
Yes.
That's
yep.
amazing.
Yep.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that, because
Thank
that
you.
is really awesome.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's the maze right there. Our last weekend is Fire Prevention Week. Local fire companies are going to bring a car both Saturday and Sunday and demonstrate the jaws of life. We're going to have a chicken barbecue put on by Cassville, and if you haven't had Cassville's chicken, you haven't had.
I'm very interested.
And Mercy Flight is going to bring the helicopter.
This is our first year
This is
event.
our first
I'm
year.
really impressed. Well, Sequoia is amazing. I'm just trying to decide on what weekend to come to the Lincoln Davies for the Fall Festival.
Yes, come see us.
Yay. Thanks so much for
Thank
coming
you.
along with me.
Thank
It
you.
was fun.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right.
All right.
See you later.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks.